gotta stretch my legs.
Alright, 'cause I'm
So Bree just blew by me. She's in a zone right now. I tried to give her something, some water. She didn't say one word. She just blew by me. So she's in the zone right now. Run, 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 run. That's what she's doing. All right, I gotta try to keep up with her and make sure she stays hydrated. All right, gang, let's go. Here she comes, right behind Billy. I know the routine.
At the next stop, can I have that can of ginger ale?
Okay, got you. Next one. About a mile down the road.
Okay, thank you so much.
Okay, so at the next stop, I have a request from Bree. She wants her can of ginger ale. Then ginger ale it is. Let's go get a can of ginger ale. Fortunately, we have ginger ale on the menu today. Ginger ale, fresh squeezed ginger ale.
10 to go. 10 to go, Beaks. 10 miles.
Okay, all right.
10 miles.
Ginger ale is served. Now that was Billy Barnett. Amazing ultra runner. Like an Energizer bunny, just keeps on going and going and going. That's the man right there. He ran around the island. The one and only Justin Young. There he is. Now that was Justin Young. He just ran around the whole island. Took him 75 hours to run around the entire island of Hawaii. I don't know how much miles that is, but it's a lot. 75 hours of running continuously. Well, he stopped and took a break every now and then, you know, to get his nutrition in. But yeah, he started and it didn't finish until he completed his circumnavigational run around this entire big island of Hawaii. So yeah, that was Justin Young, another one of the island's amazing ultra runners. Let's continue on. And Billy is looking solid, really good. Bree is looking solid, really good. And so far everyone else is running their own pace, looking solid and looking really good. They started off right outside of the Volcanoes National Park, and yes, the volcano is erupting, and they're gonna finish at Punalu'u Black Sand Beach, 31 miles down the coast, or 50 Ks, 31.1 or 50 Ks. Anyway, let's continue on our trek, run, fun down the coast. All right, gang, let's go. She got 10 miles to go, 10.1 mile to go. Last turn on there, take a left, yeah? At the bottom.
Huh?
At the bottom, at the intersection, you see the flag, take a left on there.
Okay.
And you go to the beach.
Can you just splash my back? Oh, thank you. Thank you. That's great. Thank you.
Last turn. Last mile, 31.1 mile. All right, here she comes. She's right behind me. And she's finishing up 50K. Last run of the year, 31.1 miles. And there she is. Come on, Bree. Yes, right there. Woohoo! Way to go, girl. There you go. There you go. All you. Woohoo! She did it. All pow.